Meaning of extort.
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 Extort. Extort means to obtain something, especially money, by force or threat. When someone extorts another person, they use intimidation, violence, or the threat of harm to compel them to give up something of value. The result of extortion can be devastating for the victim, causing financial hardship, loss of property, or even physical harm. Extortion is a serious crime, and anyone who engages in this behavior can face severe legal consequences, including fines and imprisonment. It's important for people to understand the meaning of extortion and take steps to protect themselves from this type of illegal activity.